When water damage strikes from a burst pipe, a hidden leak, or storm flooding, time is your biggest enemy. The longer water sits, the worse the damage becomes and mold starts to grow. At Safeway Restoration, we've spent over a decade helping homeowners and businesses recover quickly after water damage. Our licensed and certified team is ready to respond 24/7. We start by finding the source because you can't fix what you can't see. Using advanced leak detection, we locate hidden moisture behind walls, under floors, and in the ceilings. Then we remove that standing water with professional-grade extraction equipment and set up air movers and dehumidifiers to dry the area completely and prevent dangerous mold growth. We work directly with your insurance company or offer flexible payment options to make the process simple and stress-free. At Safeway Restoration, we combine experience, technology, and communication to get your property and your peace of mind back to normal. When you need help fast, call Safeway Restoration. We'll handle the rest. Restoring property the safe way.